Morning guys, in front of me is VIVO X300 Pro, and let me show you how to boot developer options. So first of all, let's enroll the settings. Then scroll all the way down, mark about phone. Here go to version info and tap 7 times on software version right here. And as you can see, okay, so I am already a developer, but if you are not, it's necessary to tap on it 7 times, then go back, and now enter system management. And here are your developer options. You can manage them however you like, do whatever you need here, customize them, customize your phone as you want, and then you can. So now it's active, and then you can switch it off the same way, just by unlocking this one. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.